Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your credit utilization plan in Credit Karma, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Credit Karma account using your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the credit score section. Click on it to access your credit score details. Next, find the credit utilization section, which may display your current utilization percentage. Take note of the percentage shown, as this reflects how much of your available credit you are using. If you need to update your credit utilization plan, navigate to the Credit Card Accounts tab. Review the list of your current credit cards and their available credit limits. Identify which cards you use most frequently and which ones you may have high balances on. Consider paying down high balances on specific cards to lower your overall utilization percentage. You can create a strategy to distribute your spending across multiple cards. This can help you keep individual card utilization below 30%, which is generally recommended. Once you adjust your spending habits, allow some time for updates to reflect on your Credit Karma account. This may take a few days, as credit card companies report updates monthly. After a few days, return to Credit Karma to check if your credit utilization percentage has changed. Ensure that you regularly monitor your utilization and adjust your spending as necessary. This will help maintain a healthy credit score over time. Feel free to revisit your credit utilization strategy whenever your financial situation changes. By consistently managing your credit utilization, you can positively impact your credit health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.